composite? Mr. Jack, asan ka?
Si Jet.
Anong team si Sister Jack?
Sa swoosh.
Again, winner po ng ating best kicks ay si Jack.
Yan. Ang ganda na sapatos, oh.
Ay, okay.
All the way.
Wearing composite. Ang next po na winner ay si Sammy wearing Rich na Kobe. Again, si Sammy wearing Rich na Kobe. Sammy, congratulations. Nanalo ka ng best kicks. And syempre, hindi mo natapos na kami na ito na nanalo si Mr. Kiko Pirino wearing light bulb.
Nanalo si Tirino.
Hindi niya palang mabit na sinabi.
Sa US yan.
Kaya pala kanina sabi. Lord! Sari ka, Lord! Lord!
Si Sabi na saan? Sabi!
Sabi,
Malis na, puntang Bawati.
Malipos na yun, namusta na yun. Wala na si Sapi, namusta na yun. Ayun, nakakuha mo na. Kunan ko lang kayo para
Biglang na mo problema eh.
okay, Lord, di ba?
sabi ni manager, harap
Si
ka.
Mr. Sabi. May kami award dito.
Tangke ha.
Pumunta na po ito nga.
Nakakuha na yata sabi.
Wala na siyang friend.
Bawati ng laro.
Kaya kukunan ka na sila.
Nasa isa, tapos sila.
Ako siya television.
Ay, sumaklok.
Nakalata yata. Wala na kasi ako.
Ikaw.
Ayan. May sinasabi ka kanina eh. Ayan.
Sabi naman to.
Ikaw, masabi kay ko. Binigay ni ko.
Oh.
Patuloy po, 356 Tucson. Isang po yung sasakyan. Marami pong binawas. 356 Tucson. Makikisuyo po, pakitanggal. Pakitanggal po, 356 Tucson.
Anong kulay, Dudes?
Tucson na blue. Okay.
Alam ko, ganun tayo style eh. Wala, hindi ko man din ano yan. Hindi ko nga sinusuklay eh. Nakaligo, ganun lang. Oo, mamaya. Pagkano.
Yung bola nasa ilalim. Yung bola nasa ilalim. Huwag mong itapon yung black na ano. Diyan. Yung black.
Yung black na bag, huwag mo itapon. Paglalagyan natin ng ano yan. Paglalagyan natin ng yung bola nasa ilalim. Pakihila lang yung mga box. Nasa ilalim yung bola. Yan. Yan. Tinanggal kasi yung kanda sa ilalim. Yung pangit.
Alright, let's ready for the first game for tonight. Battle between Giordano versus Full. Oh, sino po yung ano, may dala ng bus? Anong 5057, sino po yung may dala ng bus? Pakiusog. Pakiusog po, yung may dala ng bus.
Diyan lang yan.
Oo, madami na pong lalabas.
Diyan lang yan.
Pakingtuloy mo doon si, ano, yung Nay, pakicheck mo nga yung plaka, yung bus na ano. Ayan, sa tapat mo. Ayan yung tao sa tapat. Ay. Yaris na. Dito na lang. Yaris na silver. Ah. 510 SAU. Yaris na silver. Pakiusog po. Yaris na silver. Toyota Yaris silver color. 510 SAU. Salamat po. Toyota Yaris. Wala pa yung papel natin, yung maglalaro. Sige po, yung iba po, pasuyo na po, upo na lang po sa audience. Sa bleacher, maupo na po. Maupo na po. Sa gitna. Sa gitna. Sa gitna. Oy. Mga player, sa gitna. Pa-letter U kayo, pa-letter U. Pa-letter U. Ayan, pa-letter U. Ayan, pipicturean kayo, kayo opening game. Kayo ang opening game. Pipicturean kayo. Letter U. Letter U. Kunin niyo yung ano, kunin niyo yung logo. Kunin niyo yung logo. Kunin niyo yung logo. Yung iba pwedeng maupo. Yung iba pwedeng maupo para kita kayo sa picture. Upo na lang yung iba.
Di paano kayo ginagawa nyo? Hindi. Pili tayo ng isa. Kasi nung una, may pabili tayo. Isa lang ang nagagamit naman. Okay lang. Pabili lang tayo. Hey! Tawag ka! Sandali. Okay lang.
Ano ba, sabot?
Okay na.
Huwag mo rin siya para sa face na.
Bigay mo
Okay, mamaya muna.
Dalawa, game lang ngayon, pre.
At saka Tuganan.
Hindi, darating yan. Pumarada kasi yung ibang player sa ibang team.
Bumalik na naman.
Hello!
Mazda 9424. Mazda. Red color Mazda 9524. 9424 Mazda. Pakisuyo po, pakiusog para makalabas. Mazda 9424 kulay red. Kulay red Mazda.
Asa? Level saan? Mataba? Level ba niya mataba? Yung bang gusto ng mangunguya, meron po chicharon dito. At saka yung butito. Ayan. Chicharon at saka yung butito. Ayan, available po. Dito po malapit sa committee. Don. Don.
This is our first game, battle between Giordano versus Woods. And our next game, Almaray versus Team Boating.
Ba't may galagdalang chat? Si ano may chat? Ba't may galagdalang
Alagay ko sipo. Sipo ba? C1. Buod mo kay Jason. 1-4. Kung sino yung gusto tumaya, 5 reals lang, magkakaroon ka na ng chance manalo ng sapatos. Ayan. 5 reals lang, magkakaroon ka ng chance manalo ng brand new cake.
Gandang laban na pagkakos.
Ayun. Yung mga nagbihis kanina. Yung mga nagbihis kanina na tinanggalan yung plastic. Oo. Nagagalit yung ano rito sa likod. Oo. Yung mga nagbihis kanina. Oo. Huwag ganon. Oo. Sinupin nyo yung mga plastic nyo. Oo. Okay, sit back and relax. Upo na kayo mga idols, mga kabola, upo na po yung mga audience. Po.
Pipicturean mo pa.
Comment mo vision mo natin.
Pwede yan.
Press na natin para sa loob. Nabasa na.
May messenger ako. Alam mo naman mag-messenger siguro. Sa messenger ko namin ano? Oo, sa messenger ko namin. Lahat, uniform, lahat. Pati final line-up and size. Alam mo nyo naman sizing ko, di ba?
Alam niyo naman sizing ko eh.
Bola. I-adjust mo na lang. Ay, kunin mo na yung 5 doon. Ceremonial toss pa lang.
Lima, prescribe!
Boy, tubig daw dito.
May flavor na? Ano? Ang palaya, parang doon.
Okay, let's begin our first game for tonight. Battle between Giordano versus Swartz. Good luck, both teams. Okay na tayo. Okay, tabigan, Salinas. Angat, supply, Gazim. Back to Salinas, open. Oy, at merong foul na itinawag kay number 18, Peralta. First personal foul. First team foul. And 2 free throws for Neil Salinas. First attempt, nothing but net. Last throw. And 100% shooting from the free throw line coming from Neil Salinas. And this is Sports Syndicato Sportswear. Follow nyo po yung page. Next opening po, magkakaroon po ng premyo. Yung mga nakapollow sa page, irarapol po natin. Sports Syndicato Sportswear Basketball Tournament. Ayun na, Calcim, Portrait, Sumablay, rebound Meru. And Meru taking the ball. Meru angat, erase, good ball yan. And Siliberas, drilling the ball. Pass to Santiago. Santiago attacking the middle. Sumablay and rebound. Espiritu. Pass to Meru. Ayun, still coming from Santiago. Pass to Galsim. Pass to Salinas. And Salinas in the ball, attacking the defense. Supply, Genisa pick. And Supply. Ayun, last touch. And Vallejo pass to Espiritu. And Espiritu. Uy. At merong foul na tinawag kay number 17. Holding foul na tinawag kay Santiago. First personal foul. 14 to shoot. Peralta, pass to Espiritu. Pass to Vallejo, open for 3. Bang! Vallejo for 3. And this second shot is brought to you by Gandor. Our major sponsor. Ayun na, Calcim. Pass to Salinas. Pass to Santiago, open. Basket count. Coming from Santiago for 2. Espiritu. 18 away, battle open. Pass to Reyes. 14 to shoot. Ayun. And Espiritu. 10. Meru. 7. Peralta. Pass to Reyes. Open. Basket count. Coming from Reyes for 2. He scored 5-4 in favor of Sus. And Salinas back to Siliberas. Pass to Geniza. 14 to shoot. Siliberas. Ayun, still coming from Meru. And Vallejo leading the ball. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Basket count. Coming from Reyes for 2. Silo, parang nabitiwan lang, no? And Siliberas. Pass to Galcim. Back to Siliberas, open. Siliberas. Galcim. For 3. Overshoots. Rebound. Ayun. 8 seconds to shoot.
Hindi nilagay mo sa bag.
Ayun na, tabikan Salinas. 5. Genisa. Sablay. Good ball yan, tumama sa ring. And Galcim for 3. Bang! Galcim for 3. And this ribbon shot is brought to you by Kentur, our major sponsor. And Espiritu. 14 to shoot. Vallejo for 3. Bang! Vallejo for 3. Ayun na, Salinas. Zeus leading by 3 points. Calcim, another 3 on the way. Overshoots, Peralta. Ayun na, Meru. Pass to Vallejo. And Vallejo turnaround shot is good for 0. He scored 12-7, 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Starting game block. This is Sports Syndicate Sportswear Basketball Tournament. Ayun na. And Ginisa, turnaround shot, Sablay, rebound. Ayun na. Reyes, tapikan. Ayun, last touch. Espiritu. Paso Vallejo. Paso Reyes. Ay, ganda ng lusot ni Reyes. Basket count. He scored 14-7. 7-point lead. Silveres. Paso Calcim. Ayun, steal coming from Espiritu. Espiritu, paso Meru, paso Vallejo. Timeout. Sotano.
Para sa basket.
Swos. Alam mo, nakaupo dito sa ulo. Oo.
Back to the ball game. O, yung mga gusto maglaro bukas, kausapin nyo na si manager para may schedule kayo. Yung mga gusto maglaro bukas, Sabado. Para may schedule na natin yung maglalaro bukas. Ayun na, Salinas. Kanta ng assist. Kenisa Podero. Ayun na, Espiritu.
Ito mga highlights lang yun.
Reyes, 14 to shoot. Meru. Back to Reyes. Reyes ang sablay. And Santiago, paso Silveres. Silveres. Basket count. Coming from Nonoy Silveres. For 2. Espiritu. 14 to shoot. Meru fake. Paso Espiritu. Open for 3. Bang! Espiritu for 3. Iba talaga pag nakaka-shoot. Mabilis tumakbo. Score 19-11. Ayan, Hilardo. Paso Ginisa. Dudukot. Basket count. Coming from Ginisa. For 2. Very nice, Espiritu. Signal in the play. 14 to shoot. Meru open. Meru, pass to Vallejo. 8. Pass to Espiritu. 2. Ano na, shot lock na, expired. Shot lock, expired. Ano pangalan mo? Wala namang ball in control. Tatakbo shot clock.
Score po natin.
Ano apelido
Giordano,
nun?
13. Sus, 19.
Ayun na, Santiago, back to Silveres. Back to Salinas. Back to Silveres. Ganda ng assist. And tapikan, ayun na. Ayan. 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Starting game block. De Leon leading the ball. Paso Vallejo. 12 to shoot. Back to open. and Sablay. Elardo for the rebound. Elardo dribbling the ball. Elardo pa rin. Open. Sumablay. Rebound. Tapigan. Suliberes for the putback. And De Leon. Pass to Meru. De Leon. Oh. At meron ng foul from behind. Ginawag kay number 10. Elardo. First personal foul. Substitution. At thrower. Hindi naman pre-throw yun. Oh, hindi pre-throw yun. Substitution.
Bago pa sa
14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Magno. Ganda ng cut. Sumablay. Lardo for the rebound. Pass to Salinas. Salinas. Lilipad. Salinas. Pusher. And De Leon dribbling the ball. 18 to win. 14 to shoot. 10. Vallejo back. Bang! Vallejo for three. He scored 22-17, 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining starting game clock. And Elardo open. Timeout! Swoosh!
score po natin. Sos 22, Giordano 19. I-type mo na.
Siyempre, ang priority natin, yung mga nagbayad. Yung wala pang bayad, huwag na kayo magpa-schedule. Ayun na. And number 9. 14 to shoot. De Leon. Ayun, dumukot. Ganda ng assist coming from Caballero Porter. And Siliberes. Itinawid. Pass to Salinas. Back to Siliberes. Salinas. 10 to shoot. Soliberes for 3. And Soliberes for 3. This 3-point shot is brought to you by Gantoro, our major sponsor. 1 minute and 40. De Leon open for 3. Sumablay. Rebound ay na Magno. And De Leon 10 to shoot. 7. And Soliberes for the steal. Ay na. Salinas, lilipad, basket down, coming from Salinas for 2. It's goal deadlock at 24, 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining. And De Leon dribbling the ball. Ayun, tabigan, Soliberes, back to Salinas. Salinas, lilipad. And Giordano takes the lead. 26-24. And De Leon dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9, ayun na. Caballero angat. Sablay, rebound, tapigan. Uy. Meron tayong injury. 48.2 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Palitan muna at may dugo. Palitan muna natin. Palitan mo muna. Okay, back to the ball game. 45 seconds remaining. Soliberes. Pass to Lardo. 14. Back to Salinas. Soliberes for 3. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, Munilla, Ina, Genisa, ganda ng assist. and one. Basket count. Foul number 9. Bonus shot. 27.3 seconds remaining. And the bonus shot is good. Coming from Genisa. De Leon. 18 on wind. Caballero. Pass to number 9. Back to De Leon for 3. Sumablay Monilla for the rebound. Ayun 10. And Caballero open. Ayun. Angat sablay Genisa. And that's the end of the first quarter.
Score po natin. First quarter. Giordano 29. Sus 24. End of the first quarter.
Back to the ball game.
Pek Chicharon.
And this is our second quarter. Giordano ball tayo. Giordano ball. Galing sa jump ball. Galing sa jump ball.
Antonio. Watching from Dubai. Salamat, idol. Nasa rin Dubai siya.
Baka po meron nakapulot ng portable wifi. Makikisuyo po. Portable wifi. Lardo open. Basket down. Kami Lardo for 2. Doon po sa may kubo kanina may nakaiwan portable wifi. Baka sa nakakuha. Baka pwede natin pakisoli. Ayun na. 40 to shoot. Vallejo. 10. Paso Aquino. Paso Baristol. Sablay. Ayun na. Uyag dribbling the ball. And Uyag pass to Monilla. Sablay. Aquino for the rebound. Ayun na. Tabigan. Good ball yan. Elardo for the steal. And Elardo dribbling the ball. Elardo pass to Monilla. Ayun. Tabigan nagawa ng bola. Pass to Torres. 14 to shoot. Ayun na. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound. Baristol. And Espiritu receiving the basket. Ayun. Baristol. Angat. Erase. Ayun. Monilla for the rebound. Pass to Arias. Arias. Pass to Torres. Torres. Ayun. Ganda na kasi. Sumablay. And number 4. Angat. Sablay. Torres for the rebound. Uyag. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Arias. Back to Torres. Shot clock 15. Elardo open. Basket down. Coming from Elardo for 2. Ayun. And Espiritu. He scored 33-24. In favor of Giordano. Ayun na. Ganda ng assist. Ayun. Substitution. Palit. Substitution. 12 to shoot.
Dalawang game lang yan, di ba? Patay.
Ayun na, Vallejo. Sablay, Arias for the rebound. Pass to Torres. And Torres leading the ball. Angat. Ayun, tapo ng sabaw. At meron ng foul na Ginong Torres. Number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. And the Spiritor. 18 win. Pass to Vallejo. 14. And Espiritu driving the ball. Shot clock 8. Espiritu to Jokares for 3. Overshoots. Rebound. Tapikan. Ayun na. Uyag. Lilipad. Ganda na assist. Natapo ng sabaw. And Espiritu driving the ball. Espiritu signaling. Oh, Vallejo for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun. Pass to Torres. Pass to Manila. Pass to Uyag. Uyag back to Torres. 14. Pass to Arias. 10. 5. Ayun, still coming from Jokares. Pass to Vallejo. Vallejo, ikot. Turn around shot is good. Coming from Vallejo. For 2. Oh, lumamang. Ayun na. Elardo na bitiwan. And Torres fake. Ganda ng assist. Monilla. Oh, 3 seconds violation ng itlog. Ang huli ng itlog niya, Brown. Ayun na, Espiritu. Pass to Jokares. Jokares open for 3. Bang! Jokares for 3. And this triple shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. Ayun na. 33-29. Uyag pass to Arias. Ayun, Uyag. Sumablay Lardo. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 35. Baristol substitution. And 2 free throws for Elardo. Oh, nandito Basok. Last throw. Sablay, rebound, Tapikan. Ayun, last touch. Substitution, Elardo out, Ginisa in. Ayun, we acknowledge the presence of Mr. Val Agenza. Ayun, and with Popoy. Ayun. And also, Dadyo Valley Boys. Jesse Insigne. Evan Reyes. Boy Reyes. And Chris Benicario. And Uyag. Sumablay. Rebound. Vallejo. And Vallejo driving the ball. Pass to Jokares. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Jokares open. Another 3 on the way. Bang! Jokares for 3. And this triple shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. Ayun. We acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ronald Malekse. Welcome to Jeddah. Ayun, 14 to shoot. Salinas open. Oh. Tukunin ko lang po. Foul number 30, Jokares, substitution. Number 35, Baristol. Torres. Jokares, first personal foul. Second team foul. Oh, nandito. Pasok. Coming from Salinas. Last throw. Sablay, rebound, Tapikan, another win, pass to Espiritu. Espiritu signaling the play. 14 to shoot. 10. Vallejo open. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, ayun na, Espiritu. Ganda ng assist, basket down. Coming from Reyes, Butcher. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Score 35-34. 1 point lead for Team Giordano. And Soliveras open. Back to Salinas. Salinas, pass to Manila. And troubling violation ang itinawag. Score 35-34. 1 point lead for Team Giordano. And Espiritu itinawag. Now ng foul na itinawag kay Manila number 5. Holding foul na itinawag. Substitution. Manila first personal foul, third team foul. 4 minutes, 11 seconds, 15.8 to shoot. 15.8 to shoot. Ayun, tapikan, good ball yan. Salinas to the ball. Salinas pa rin. And Salinas pass to Ginisa again. Nisa for two. 37-34. Sumablay. And acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ahmad. Ayun na. And Salinas saving the ball. And Espiritu pass to Vallejo. Vallejo lilipan. Basket down. Coming from Vallejo for two. Santiago back to Uyag. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 37-36. And Uyag. And Santiago sablay. Rebound. Ruin. Pass to Espiritu. Espiritu to the ball. 3-on-2 situation. Ayun na. Jocores for two. And good ball yan. And Jocores in the ball. 38-37. Change favor down. Darwin pass to Reyes. Reyes big and pump. Basket down. Coming from Reyes. Ayun na. Change favor na tayo. 40-37. Uyag. Pass to Siliberes. Back to Santiago. 14 to shoot. Uyag. Reading the ball. And Uyag for two. 40-39. 1 point lead. 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. Jocores back to Espiritu. Espiritu open. Jocores for three. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Siliberes in the ball. Pass to Uyag. And Uyag pass to Santiago. Sablay. Salinas. Sumablay. And Espiritu driving the ball. Espiritu tinawad. Espiritu ayun na. Reyes. Angat. Basket down. Coming from Reyes. For 1 minute and 50. Starting game clock. 42-39. 3 point lead for team. Food. And Salinas. Pass to Siliberes. 14. And Sumablay. And Espiritu driving the ball. Espiritu pa rin. Angat side stepping move. Coming from Espiritu for two. And Uyag. At meron foul. Ay tinawag ay number 3. Reyes substitution. Nag-uunahan sila kung sino papalitan. Nag-uunahan sila kung sino magpapasa. Ba yung ganyan talaga pag nang tira sa Blay. Last draw. 1 minute 17 seconds remaining. 5 point lead for Team Sus. Last draw. Basket coming from Uyag. 44-40. 4 point lead. 1 minute and 14 seconds. This is our second quarter and this is Sports Sindicato Sports Basketball Tournament. Jack erase. And Meru, 10, 7. Meru open. Sumablay, ayun na. And Salinas Salinas for 47 seconds remaining. 44-42. Espiritu. Itinawid. Jack for 3. Sumablay, rebound, and Tino for 3. And Kenisa dribbling the ball. Kenisa pa rin, paso sa Liberes. Ayun na. Basket down, comes down, no, it's Liberes for 2. 21 seconds remaining. Meru. He scored 44 all. 14. Reyes, paso Tino for 3. Sumablay, and Jack for the putback, Sablay. Tabigan. 3, 2, and that's the end of the second quarter. Deadlock at 44. Gandang laban mga kapatid.
Score po na to. Deadlock po, deadlock. 44 all.
Okay, back to the ball game. This is our third quarter. Bola tayo ng sus. Bola ng sus. Wala muna tayong microphone, ha? Sala. Seven. Bang! Sabi sa'yo, nabisa yung kape. Diba, Tilo? Mabisa yung kape, diba? Oh. And Silveras, back to Salinas. Back to Silveras. Pass to Santiago, back to Silveras, 12 to shoot. Ayun lang. And Magno for the steal. Magno driving the ball. Pass to Tilo. Caballero open. Sumablay. Rebound Santiago. Pass to Ginisa. Back to Silveras. Ayan, Sablay. De Leon. Pass to Mero. Overshoots. Rebound Ilardo. Ayan na. And Salinas with zero. De Leon, Pinoed. Pass to Magno, 14 to shoot. Down to 10. Pass to De Leon. 7. Caballero yun. Good ball yan. Tumama sa ring. And ayun na. Salinas in the ball. And one. Foul number 29, Tilo. Oh. Ginisa open. Basket down. John Brown, Ginisa. Caballero. Ayun lang, lumusot. Ayun na. Silveras, leaving the ball. 3-on-2 situation. Silveras, open. Suma, Black, and Nisa. And one. Basket down. Foul number 19. Mekos Meru. Meru first personal foul. Second team foul. He score 50-47. Change favor tayo. Gandang laban mga kapatid. Ayun, this is our opening, first opening. And this is Sports Sindicato Sportswear. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapollow sa page, please follow our page, Sports Sindicato Sportswear. At magra-raffle po tayo next week. Ayun na, De Leon, Portre, Sumablay, rebound, Elardo, paso Salinas, ayun na. Salinas lilipad, basket down, Johnny Brown, Salinas for two, Tilo, pass to Magno, at meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 10, Ilardo, substitution, number 33, Caballero, and two free throws for Magno. Ilardo, first personal foul. First team foul. Last throw. Basket coming from Magno. He scored 52-48, 4-point lead for Team Giordano. 7 minutes and 12. And Silveras. 14 to shoot. Ilang. Tapon sa bao. Ayun na, Meru. Driving the ball. Paso Magno ang sumablay. Rebound Santiago. And Santiago pass to Silveres. Silveres in the ball. Pass to Ilardo. Ilardo. And basket down. Jonathan Ilardo. For two. Tilo driving the ball. From downtown. Sumablay. Ayun na. And Salinas. Basket count coming from Salinas. Jose De Leon receiving the basket. Pass to Tilo. Back to De Leon. Pass to Meru. Basket count. Foul number 17. Substitution. Substitution. Basket coming from Mekos Meru. And Silveras receiving the basket. He scored 56-51. Salinas. 4-10 to shoot. Gandaroy tumama sa board. And Magno pass to Tilo. Tilo. Pass to Mekos Meru. Meru. Back to Tilo. 4-3. Sumablay. Vallejo for the rebound. And Vallejo pass to Meru. 10 to shoot. 7. Tilo. And Tilo for two. Salinas receiving the basket. 56-53. 3-point lead. Silveras. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, still coming from Vallejo. Ayun na. Akin na to, sabi ni Tilo. Tilo! Oy! Up. Liga. Hands po. Substitution. Hindi man sinasadya, magkatropa yan. Hindi sinasadya yun, magkatropa yan. Anspo muna, free throw muna, alis dyan. Magpi-free throw, anspo yan. Magpi-free throw. Alis dyan doon. Alis ka dyan.
Ano ba naman?
Walang jumper yan,
Kaya nga. Tumagilid ka kasi. Kesemplang talaga. Kasi galing na sa talon eh.
Basket yan. Substitution. Salinas.
Wala pa kayong timeout.
Ayun na, Osorio. Back to Binisa. Back to Osorio. 4-3. Sumablay and Santiago. Sumablay nga lang ang tira, pero merong foul na itinawag kay number 3, Reyes. Warning for penalty. Reyes, second personal foul, and 2 free throws for Don Santiago. Nang tira nating but net coming from Santiago, Lastro.
Giordano 59, Sus 53.
He scored 59-53.
Giordano 59, Sus
Lastro. Basket coming from Santiago, 60-53, 7-point lead, 4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Espiritu signaling the play. And Vallejo Basomero. 12. Oy, ng itlog. Ang kulay ng itlog niya, brown. Ayun na. Osorio. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Ginisa. And Ginisa fake. Sumablay. Magno for the rebound. And Magno pass to Meru. Pass to Espiritu. Espiritu back to Meru for 3. Sablay. Ayun na. Osorio. Ayun na. Yan. For 2. And Magno dribbling the ball. Magno pa rin. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Vallejo. Vallejo. Ayun. Uy. At meron pushing foul ni Dinogue Osorio, number 26. First personal foul. Third team foul. 14 to shoot. Vallejo. Pass to Reyes. Ang nipis. Holding foul 99 kay Manila. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty both teams. Ayun na, Vallejo receiving the basket. Oh. Foul number 26, Osorio. Penalty. Penalty. Osorio's second personal foul. Yung mga maglalaro bukas, may mga teams dyan na
How are you? Good?
Vallejo. Ayon sa Blay, rebound. Santiago pass to Osorio. 62-53, 9-point lead. And 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Ayun na. Kinisa back to Osorio. Ayun na, pass to Uyag. Uyag open. Sumablay. Vallejo dribbling the ball. Pass to Espiritu. Espiritu angat. Basket down. Coming from Espiritu. Iba talaga pag nakakasip. Bumibilis tumakbo. Ayun na. Santiago for 3. Bang! Santiago for 3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Ganturo, our major sponsor. And Espiritu dribbling the ball. Back to Meru. And Espiritu 14 to shoot. 10. Meru. Down to 6. 3. Espiritu. Bang! Espiritu for 3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur Company together with Jollibee. Ayun na, Ginisa back to Osorio, 14 to shoot. Pass to Uyag open. Ayun, Monilla fake. Oy, raise. And Reyes. Pass to Espiritu. Espiritu, pass to Magno. And Magno. Pass to Vallejo. Vallejo angat. At meron ng foul. Na itinawag kay number 5. Monilla, substitution. Magno out. Substitution. Monilla out. Ilardo in. Aquino in. Monilla, third personal foul. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Unang tira pasok. Pakiayos yung net. Last draw. Ayan. And Ilardo pa to Uyag. Uyag dribbling the ball. Pass to Osorio. Back to Uyag. Pass to Ginisa, 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Lardo. Angat, Sablay. And Santiago. Sumablay. Espiritu dribbling the ball. Espiritu pass to Reyes. Angat. Basket down. Coming from Reyes for 0. $65-61. Ayun na, Uyag. 14 to shoot. Back to Lardo. Ginisa open. And Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Tabigan. Vallejo. Pass to Aquino. Aquino for 2. Walang traveling. Walang traveling na hindi pa na may ball on control yung player. Tandaan nyo. Osorio. 1 minute 14, 65-63, 2-point lead. Ayun na, Uyag, Lardo, favorite shot. Is good for 2. Coming from Lardo. And Meru. Back to Espiritu. $53 remaining starting game clock. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 9. At meron ng pushing. May ginawag kay number. Teka muna. Kunin muna natin yung foul. Huwag kayo excited. Foul number 10, Lardo. Ayun, substitution. Lardo, second personal foul penalty. And 2 free throws for Espiritu ng tira sa Blay. Last draw. Ayon sa Blay and Reyes for the putback. $37 remaining, 67-65. And Salinas, pass to Uyag. Pass to Ginisa, fake. Ayun lang, still. Tabigan, nagawa ng bola. And Santiago, pass to Lardo, open. And Lardo Sablay. 19.9 seconds remaining. 12.9 to shoot. 19.9 seconds remaining, 12.9 to shoot. Ayan, still coming from Vallejo. And Vallejo pass to Jocares. Ayun, tapikan ang gawa ng bola, Uyag. And 9 seconds, Lardo open, Sablay, Ginisa, fake. And from basket count, 2. And that's the end of the third quarter. 4-point lead for Dave Giordano.
69-65, 4-point lead by Giordano. Sabado kaya mo? Gusto ka? Kan? Bilat sa manok? Bilat sa manok. Giordano lead.
Depensa Sus. Giordano ball. Depensa Sus. Our second game, Almaray versus Tem. Oliveras driving the ball. Pass to Sarabia. Open for three. Bang! Sarabia for three. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur, our major sponsor, Espiritu. Ayun na. Aquino turnaround shot. Supply. And Salinas driving the ball. Ayun na. Salinas. Lilipad. Salinas. Puso. And Juarez. Back to Espiritu. Pass to Vallejo. Open. For three. Vallejo. For three. 74-68. Tatlo. And Salinas. Pass to Sarabia. 14 to shoot. Pass to Salinas. 10. Salinas angan. Sablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Aquino. Ayun na. Vallejo dribbling the ball. And Vallejo signaling the play. Back to Espiritu. Shot clock. 14. Vallejo for 3. Bang! Vallejo for 3. Back-to-back 3-point shots coming from Vallejo. And Silveras pass to Sarabia. 14. Sarabia fake. Pass to Genisa. Fake. Ayun na. Genisa. Sablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Good ball niya. Oy! Tumama na. Umilaw na. 74-71 ang ating score. 3-point lead for Team Giordano. And it's Espiritu. Tinawid. 4-10 to shoot. Jocares for 3. Overshoot. Rebound. Ayun na, Silveras. Pass to Salinas. Ayun, tapo ng sabaw. Ayun na, Espiritu. Dito ko lang. 4-10. Vallejo. 8.
8 seconds! Sa'yo na yan!
Reyes, whoop. Oh, nakakuha pa ng foul. Tinawag kay Ilardo. Number 10. Substitution. Ilardo. Third personal foul. First team foul and Reyes shooting 2. Oh, nandito nating batnet coming from Romel Reyes. Lastro. Ayon sa oy! Plakda. Ayos ah. Basket down. 74-73. 1-point lead. And Silveras. Back to Salinas. Back to Silveras.
Fourth quarter na po to. Fourth quarter.
Back to Salinas. Silveras. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound. Reyes. Ayun na. Tapikan. Napaganda pa. Oy! At meron ng foul. May tinawag kay number 3.
Bigyan mo ko 50, pasang ka to 50.
Number 1? Number 1. De Leon.
Cash ba?
Dalawa yung foul dun. Si De Leon, tsaka si Reyes. De Leon ang foul, De Leon. 2 free throws for Ilardo. Unang tira ka, boss. Lastro. Pag na-shoot. Lastro. Substitution.
053.
Substitution.
193. 957.
053-193-3957.
Oh, 397.
Ayun na, Espiritu. Shot clock 14. Pass sa Balyeo. 10. 7. Oy! Ball hugging. Sobra na sa 5. Substitution.
Galing na sa 14, 7 seconds na lang remaining. Tumawag ng 5 seconds.
Ayun, Salinas. Pass sa Sarabia. Open for 3. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, Salinas. Uy! At merong octopus foul ang itinawag kay number 33, Caballero. First personal foul.
Score po natin.
Second team foul.
Giordano 75,
14 to shoot.
73.
Ayun na, Salinas. Ang Saulay, Caballero for the rebound. Pass to Espiritu. And Espiritu dribbling the ball. Espiritu pass to Vallejo. Sumablay. Ayun na, bola ng Giordano. Binisa pass to Silveres. Itinawid. Pass to Sarabia. 14 to shoot. Binisa open. 10. Turnaround shot. Sablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Ayun na. Vallejo. Angat. Sablay. And ayun na. Silveres. Back to Binisa. Back to Silveres. Open. Silveres. Kinaliwa. Sumablay. Rebound. Caballero. Pass to Espiritu. 75-73. 5 minutes and 50. And Espiritu signaling the play. 14 to shoot. 10. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 26. 46. Silveres, first personal foul. Second team foul. Hindi. Mamaya. Walang sab. Nabigay na bola. Tignan mo muna yung kung nabigay o hindi bago mo pindutin. Last throw. Substitution.
Score po all.
He scored 75 all. 5 minutes and 38 remaining sa ating game block. Ganda ng laban mga kapatid. And Uyag. Pass sa Salinas. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Caballero number 33. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 15.3 to shoot. 15.3 to shoot. Salinas, catch and shoot. Sumablay, ayun, tapika, nagawa ng bola, Caballero. And Espiritu, 3 on 2. Ayun na, pass to Magno. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 13, Salinas. Salinas, first personal foul, and shoots, leading by 2 points. Bonus shot for Magno. And basket down, coming from Magno. He completed the 3-point play. Tatlo lamang, 78-75. And Uyag. Pass to Silveres. Pass to Salinas. 12. And Kenisa. 8. 5. Silveres for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Magno. And Magno dribbling the ball. Magno pa rin. Pass to De Leon. And De Leon pass to Magno. Angat. Sumablay. Caballero sablay. At last touch. Time out, Serrano.
Score po natin. Giordano 75, Sus 78.
Back to the ball game.
Fourth quarter na po yan. Fourth quarter. Giordano 75, Sus 78.
12.5 to shoot. The 12.5 to shoot. Ayun, tabigan. Caballero angat. Sablay. Caballero nabitiwan. Ayun na. Paso si Liberes. Salinas, pass to Salinas. Salinas! And 78-77, 1 point lead. Aziz coming from Salinas. And Espiritu dribbling the ball. Pass to Vallejo. Pass to De Leon. Pass to Magno. And lays it in for two. Coming from Magno. 87-7, power play coming from Magno. Uyag. Pass to Salinas. Pass to Salinas. Salinas, back to Salinas, break. Oh, nang hawak, Espiritu, number 88. Oh, substitution, number 33, Caballero out, Reyes in. Espiritu, first personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. Oh. Holding foul ay tinawag ay number 26, Magno. Penalty. Penalty. Magno, first personal foul. And two free throws for Santiago. Unang tira pasok. Last throw. Sumablay, rebound, Espiritu. 80-78, 2 point lead. And Espiritu dribbling the ball. 14, Magno dribbling the ball. At meron ng foul, itinawag. Kaya number 17, warning pa lang for penalty. Santiago, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. Ayon Reyes receiving the basket. Pass to Magno. 10. 5. Basket down coming from Magno for 2. 82-78. 3 minutes and 28. And Salinas lilipad. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 1, De Leon. Timeout! Shoot!
Score po natin, 78, Giordano. Sus, 82. Maraming nga yan. Shout out Marasigan. Salamat idol sa pag-panood ng live namin. Ha?
Penalty na, di ba? Penalty. Time remaining 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Score 82-78. Salinas shooting 2. Nang tira pasok. Last throw. Basket. Oh.
Maganda yung laban ng
Ayan na, Meru. Pass to Espiritu. Back to Meru. And Meru taking the ball. Ayun, pass to Vallejo for 10. Vallejo angat, erase. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining starting game clock. And Uyag taking the ball. Pass to Vinisa. Pass to Uyag. 4-10 to shoot. No. Supalpal. 10.2 to shoot. 10.2 to shoot. Ayun na, Salinas. Pass to Uyag. Open. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Uy, Meru. Erase. Erase. Supalpal. Shot clock 19.1, 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Gandang laban mga kapatid. Ganda ng laban. Ayun na, Meru receiving the basket. Meru pa rin. Iikot, angat. Meru for zero. And Nicholas Meru for zero. 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. 84 point lead for Team Sus. And Salinas, 14 to shoot. Pass to Uyag. 10. Uyag open. Sumablay. Ginisa pick. At meron ng foul. May foul muna. Alam na ni Espiritu kaya siya lumayo. Alam na niya. Di ba? 8-8 penalty. And 2 free throws for Elmer Ginisa. Foul naman talaga kumagat sa piki. Nandito basok. Last throw. We are approaching last 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Last throw. Ang basket kan from Binisa. Vallejo! And one. Basket down. Foul number 13, Salinas. Salinas' second personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Bonus shot for Vallejo. And thank you. Bonus shot for Vallejo. 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Ion basket count. 87-82, 5-point lead. And Siliveras leading the ball. Pass to Salinas. Last 2 minutes. Elardo, ganda ng asid. Santiago open. Basket count. Turn around, Santiago. Ayun na. And Magno dribbling the ball. Foul number 17, Santiago penalty. Santiago put personal foul. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining starting game clock. 1-1. Nang tira busok ang Bram Magno. Last throw. They score 88-84 in favor of Sus. 1 minute 51 seconds. Last throw. And basket ka ni Bram Magno. Patay-patay tayo ha. Ayun na. And Salinas. 18 wed. Pass to Santiago. Back to Salinas. Salinas. Traveling. Nauna yung travel bago nagling. And Meru. Meru dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. Meru angat. Erase. Akala niya nakalusot na siya. Time to shoot. Akala mo nakalusot ka. Time to shoot. Ayaw Mero receiving the basket. Pass to Magno for two. Aziz, ganda ng Aziz. Ayun na, 91-84. 1 minute and 20. Geniza. Back to Silveres. Pass to Geniza. For three. Sumablay. Rebound. Tapika. Reyes. Ayun. Elardo. Fake. 10 to shoot. Ayun na, Silveres. For three. Sumablay. At meron ng foul na tinawag kay number 26. Holding foul. Magno. Penalty. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining.
1 minute na 6 kanina pa na sa minute. Wala na sa Kasi dapat?
Nandito sa Blay. Last straw. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Last straw. Ang basket coming from Santiago Mero dribling the ball. Out. Meron ang ba Anspo. Ay dinawag.
Mamimili ako. Si ano na, may bunga.
Huwag ka na mamili, nagpresenta na. Nagpresenta na. Huwag ka mamili. Exactly 1 minute remaining sa ating game block. Kung sino nagkaroon ng contact. Walang tira, Baldog. Labas yan, labas. Dalawa yan.
Nice. Yan, okay na.
Tinawag sa clinic yan. Last throw. Ayaw, basket. Bola ng shoes. Bola ng shoes. Last 1 minute remaining. 20.7 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Meru. Leading the ball. Pasures. And sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. And Salinas. Leading the ball. Ikot. Ano yun? May foul, di ba? Tumawag yung referee. Manahimik kayo. Two free throws for Salinas. Nang tira sa Blay. Last throw. 46.4 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Last throw.
Double foul.
Basket. Basket yung free throw muna. Basket yung free throw. Double foul, 26. Number 10, Giordano. Elardo. Bola ng shoes. Bola ng shoes. Bola ng shoes. Ayun na. And Magno trading the ball. Ayun na, Magno lilipat. Magno for two. Salinas shooting the ball. Salinas pa rin angat. And one. Pushing foul yung tinawag. Pag na-shoot. Hindi pwede ngayon. Bonus shot for Salinas. 32.5 seconds remaining. Exciting game block. 32.5. And 20 shot. Sumablay, rebound, Reyes. And Reyes, ayun na. Tapi ka na gawa ng bola. Magno pa, Sumeru. Oy, napaganda pa. Vallejo! For 21.7 seconds. And Salinas with the ball. Salinas, oh, meron ng foul. Ay, number 26. In 17.3 seconds remaining. May timeout kayo, both teams. Oh.
Score po, 96-88.
Magno, fourth personal. Apat na si Magno. Unang tira busok, last throw. Oo nga, pag na-shoot nga. Huwag kang magulo, Noy. Huwag kang magulo. Nangano ka eh. Hindi. Nangano ka eh. Time out! 17.3 seconds remaining.
1996.
And back to the ball game. 17.3 seconds remaining. Ang shot clock nila 14. Ang shot clock nila 14.
Shout out team. Idol team.
Noy, may timeout kayo. Dalawa pa. Oh, Sus. Isa pang timeout ang Sus.
Pare, stay lang.
96-90. 17.3. 14 to shoot. Ayun na. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay Salinas. Foul number 13, Salinas. Penalty.
Pero take time. Ito muna.
Noy, huwag mo na makialam dyan. Baka ma-technical pa kayo. Hindi ka naka-uniform. Panalo na eh.
Last throw. Ngayon sablay, Vallejo for the rebound. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay Lardo number 10. Lardo, 5 fouls. 5 na, Lardo. 5 na.
Dito ka.
Number din pa.
Vallejo, 18.
O nandito sablay. 13.9.
Thank you.
Basket, 13.9. 11. Lilibat for 3. Sumablay, Magno for the rebound. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay Sarabia.
Score po, 90-98. Sos, 98.
Nandito Busok. 5.1 seconds. Last throw. Ngayon, 5.1. And Sarabia for 3. Sumablay. And touchdown. Kabayan tayo both teams. Kamayan tayo about change.
Panalo po ang
Ang
Giordano.
ending natin, 0-0.
Score.
Kamayan tayo about change. Ayun, kamayan tayo about change. Tapos, pipicturean kayo sa gitna. Pipicturean kayo sa gitna. Ryan Pistanyo.